What's up, y'all, man? Dre the Car Guy back at it with some more of that 300ZX content. And in today's video, I will be painting the calipers on Project Pearlz. As you see, these things is whooped. But before we do that, let's go ahead, hop inside, give y'all a cold start, let you see what it sound like, give you a walk around, and give you the update on all the little upgrades I did so far. So let's get into it. So inside, oh, this is another thing I added. Put the little collar on the shift knob just to make it look a more cleaner. So sometimes the idle be a little rough. You can see if I can get the steering wheel to do it. It don't never bing for me when I'm trying to do it on camera. One hand. Hey! So pretty much here's everything I'll be using today. This is the torqueteal. I'm going with the engine enamel. And this is the VHT primer. So it can hold up to 550 degrees. We got some alcohol to clean it. I also got some brake clean in the trunk, because we're gonna have to clean them dirty calipers. Got some sandpaper, 320 grit. Also a wire brush. All right, got both wheels off. Don't clown me for my shitty rotors, but I know they need to be replaced, but I'm gonna go ahead and mask this area off. Maybe this little cap and just this going in here. There shouldn't be too much to mask off. Clean it up. I'm going to get into it with this paint. Okay, so we masked off both sides. Oh, excuse me. So, got the VHT primer. Let's do it, man. Okay, with that light one first. Let that chill for about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna come back with a heavier one. All right, time for that first coat of this paint. Primer's on there pretty good, so let's go ahead and get into it. Here goes nothing. Enough. That's cool for the light coat. Don't want to go too thick. Give it something to stick to. So we're gonna let that chill for 10 minutes. Let that chill for 10 minutes, and we're gonna come back and go a little heavier. All right, y'all, we all said and done. Finished up, got the car on the ground, and here's the finished product. Wow. Front, back, look good. So, if you guys far in the video, I appreciate it. Go ahead, smash the like, hit the subscribe for more Z32 content. But other than that, I'm finna go to sleep, man. Y'all be good. I'm out.